This toothpaste tube looks empty, but it isn't, and it was never meant to be. Most of us treat this like a flaw. We squeeze harder, we roll it. Some people even cut the tube open, but what you think is left over was part of the design. When toothpaste tubes were designed, the goal wasn't to empty them perfectly. The real problem was controlling a material that behaves badly under pressure. Toothpaste isn't a liquid. It isn't a solid. It's something in between, and that makes it unpredictable. So why leave anything behind? The answer is design. So engineers made a choice. They allowed a thin layer of toothpaste to remain inside the tube. That layer does three jobs. First, it blocks air from rushing back in. Air dries toothpaste. Dry toothpaste becomes gritty. Gritty toothpaste damages enamel. Second, it stabilizes pressure. If all the paste came out easily, one squeeze would send it flying. And third, it protects the tube. Repeated full collapse weakens the material. Weak material cracks. Cracks leak. That thin leftover isn't waste, it's intentional. It seals moisture, evens pressure, and protects the tube. Keep that in mind as we test the perfectly empty idea next. Quick favor, if you're enjoying this, please hit subscribe to get notified about more smart design stories like this. Thank you. Now imagine a tube designed to be perfectly empty. Air enters faster. The paste dries earlier. Pressure becomes uneven. Mess increases. And the tube fails sooner. Ironically, a more efficient design would waste more toothpaste. Watch where the seam fails. This is the point. Here's the part most people don't realize. That toothpaste you think is wasted is actually protecting the toothpaste you still use. It acts like a pressure buffer and a moisture seal. Without it, the product would fail sooner. Interesting fact, toothpaste is thixotropic. It thins when squeezed, then thickens at rest. It's counterintuitive, yet completely intentional. Yes, manufacturers benefit, but users benefit too. You get consistency, durability, and fewer messes. The cost isn't material, it's psychological. We hate seeing something we think we paid for left behind. 2 tubes, 1 smart trade-off. Once you notice this, you'll start seeing it everywhere. In bottles, in packaging, in objects you never question. Because most everyday designs aren't about perfection, they're about controlled failure. In the end, good design fails well. Now you know a little more about toothpaste. Each time you see a tube, you'll understand why it's made the way it is.